In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Teams meeting invite in Outlook, guiding you step by step through the process to set up a meeting efficiently. We'll go through how to send a meeting invite either automatically or manually, so you can choose the method that suits your needs best. Let's begin by heading over to the Microsoft Outlook page. If you haven't signed in yet, you'll want to do that next. Just click on the Sign In button and enter your login details. Once you've entered your email and password, hit Next to gain access to your account. After you're logged into your Outlook dashboard, which is the central hub for managing all your emails and calendar events, you'll want to navigate to the calendar. You can find this by going to the top left corner of your dashboard. It should be marked clearly, making it easy to locate. Now, let's create a new event in your calendar. This is where your meeting invite will be generated. You'll see an option to create new event. Click on that to start setting up your meeting. Here, you'll want to add your invitees. These are the attendees you want to include in your meeting. Simply enter their email addresses into the designated field. Next, pick a convenient date and time for the meeting. Ensure this fits within your schedule and ideally the schedules of those you're inviting to maximize attendance. You also have the option to add a location, although this is optional. Fill in a brief description to let attendees know the purpose of the meeting. This could be a few sentences about what you will be discussing or any materials they may need to prepare. Once you've filled out all the necessary details, you can click Save. By doing this, Outlook will automatically send out invites to everyone you've added, complete with the meeting details and a join link for Microsoft Teams. Alternatively, if you prefer sending the invitation manually, you can do so by creating a meeting link. To get this link, go to the event you just created. You'll see a join button with a drop-down menu beside it. Click on this and copy the link provided. Now, head back to your main dashboard. You'll need to start a new email by selecting Create Mail. Paste the meeting link directly into the body of the email. Populate the rest of the email as you see fit with any additional details or instructions for your attendees. Once your email is complete, click Send to distribute the meeting invite manually. And there you have it. Two simple methods to send out a Teams meeting invite using Outlook, ensuring your meetings are organized and your attendees informed. Hope you found this guide helpful.